Let's go one by one.
Okay, he's short-tempered. He.
Are you sure you want to use that word?
No, I think he. क्या बोलूँ और? So yeah, not in a very that way कि बहुत जल्दी टेम्पर लूज़ कर देता है, but मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ भी हो गया है तो और कहीं तो मेरा फोकस ही नहीं होता, बस मैं वरुण को देखती हूँ और इसके एक्सप्रेशन देखती हूँ, कितना गुस्सा है, अब ये क्या बोलने वाला है, सामने वाला बंदा तो गुस्से में नहीं है, ये मतलब इट्स जस्ट एन एग्जाम्पल, लिटरली ऐसा नहीं होता. सो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ऐसे थोड़ा कभी कभी बिकॉज ही हिमसेल्फ इज़ लाइक दैट कि ऐसे हो रहा है तो यही ठीक है तो इसलिए ऐसा हो रहा है. सो ही शुड रियलाइज कि एवरीबडी डजंट थिंक लाइक दैट कि उनके लिए मे बी समटाइम्स wrong is also right, which is actually wrong, but for him to accept the fact that everybody is not right all the time and for them this wrong is right, you know what I mean?
Yeah, and you know what I think my problem is that if I have thought about something in a particular way, I want to be sure that the person opposite me has understood it exactly the way that I am thinking it, and then he should tell me no, you're wrong. Then I have no issue with it.
It's like
you understand
it's about
what I'm saying.
Food also, in a restaurant. तो इसने कुछ बोला है ना और शायद नहीं समझा वेटर ने या कुछ भी तो कुछ आ गया और जब मैंने आपको बोला था आपको नहीं समझा, आपने तब क्यों नहीं पूछा?
Just
I'm saying मैं exact copy paste नहीं.
No, but I agree with this point. लेकिन वो I just have an issue with customer service. Because they are out to cheat you, and I can't take anyone trying to take me for a ride, especially once I realize you're trying to take me for a ride. For example, if I'm ordering something, I can read that a particular thing. Wow.
Yeah, but
I can read that a particular thing is on the menu, and something else comes, and he's like, "ये यही है," and I'm like, "नहीं ये नहीं है. What are you talking about?" And then he says, अच्छा नहीं वो तो ख़त्म हो गया or something. I have an issue with that.
Oh my God! If I'm saying that ये तुम्हारे weak points हैं, तुम हर किसी के बारे में ऐसे explain करने वाले हो, so let me explain then my weak points also. What did you say?
So most definitely वो मेरी weak point है, but I'm just talking about if you're talking about restaurants तो वो तो I have a vendetta.
I said it's just an example.
Yeah.
So
but just an added information earlier that I have a vendetta with
please,
bad customer service.
मेरे बारे में क्या बोला था मैं थोड़ी सी फाइट
सफाई थोड़ी दे रहा हूँ मैं, और भी बोल रहा हूँ कि बैड कस्टमर सर्विस.
बोलो प्लीज, मुझे याद कराओ तुमने क्या बोला था.
मैंने कहा था कि तुम मुझे ज़्यादा ड्यू कभी कभी नहीं देती.
प्लीज ओके, as long as it's कभी कभी it's fine. हो जाता है यार.
And it's not like I'm also a grumpy grandpa every time I'm in a restaurant. I also have fun.
I like that description. Grumpy grandpa. Just imagine you with salt and pepper beard, which is not dark and
सिर्फ looks वैसे नहीं है, but
attitude
वैसा ही.
grumpy grandpa.
Wow.
लाइट जा रही तुम्हारी?
नहीं अभी
बोलो weak point
adjustment कर रही हूँ.
अच्छा.
मैंने बोल दिया अभी weak point. It's yours.
Should we continue or do you want to change the topic?
We can change the topic.
Yeah,
I
we
mean,
most definitely can.
See, another thing that I always know is that is opposite for both of you.
What is
and I
that?
want your reactions on it. She's not a foodie, and you're a foodie.
Oh wow! You gave me this. I'd like to say another. It's not a bad thing about her, but it's something that I would have wished that she were a foodie, and only because I am and a hopeless one at that.
Why hopeless? I think it's good to be a foodie.
As in I'm hopelessly a foodie. I can't help myself, and I'm very experimental. Yes, that will be my comment as my second thing about her, that I would have wished it was different, that she was more experimental. I don't care if she's a foodie or not, but if she were a little more experimental.
I am experimental.
Nare, impossible.
Of course I am.
Her experimental will maybe be instead of
only food?
Only food.
Only food,
Yeah.
you think?
Food?
I wish she were experimental
Oh.
with food.
Oh, then it's fine.
You're not, right?
With food, no.
Oh no, she'll only do the tried and the tested and the done with. Same
Yeah,
restaurant
I
if
can
possible.
have.
That's what I was going to say. That she said she's experimental. I said the limits of her experiments is trying a different type of bread or something. And I'm thinking more on the, yeah, a little more on the bizarre food kind of line.
और जो genuine happy होता है ना ये when it comes to food or any food discussion और let's go out for dinner और कुछ पार्टी करनी है किसी के घर पे तो ऑर्डर क्या करना है जैसे न्यू ईयर पे गए तो मिस्टर तुर्की तो ऐसे खाने मतलब he loves it ऐसे खाने में ये होना चाहिए वो होना चाहिए
Our fridge for a day and a half we had gone for New Year's Eve and for New Year's.
और ऐसे लेके गए जैसे we are going for like 1 month.
Yeah.
That's how
It was overflowing. I believe so.
And I think now though I'm more than happy because as long as I'm with him कहीं पे जा रहे हैं जैसे अभी लोनावला भी गए थे तो I was shooting and he bought everything and I was like as long as Varun is there किसी को खाने की टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है.
That is true.
So this is the tip, alright? Whenever you go out on any trips, whether it's a road trip, whether it's a flight trip, whatever trip it may be, ensure you take a foodie with you.
या बिकॉज अगर ये नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा मैं आई एम अ पर्सन मैं खाना तो लास्ट में आता है मेरे उसमें कि खाना तो मुझे जब ऐसे रियलाइज होता है कि शायद मैं बारिश हो रही है या
I'm rolling.
सी जैसे
Second,
मुझे
second.
आई डोंट नो वेदर
Steadiness.
मैं बोल के रही थी एग्जैक्टली शिट मैं कुछ और ही नया सोचने लग गई मैं कुछ बोल रही थी ना जब हमने इससे पहले कट किया
हाँ तुम बोल रही थी. Oh shit, even I forgot.
I said that I wish you were more experimental with food.
Yeah, food. We're talking about food.
And then no, you started saying something else.
या बट
Yeah, you were talking about. We were basically talking about food.
हाँ मैं नहीं हूँ फूडी आई एम नो इसी एक्चुअली
Point well
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि
तुम
मैं और-
खिचड़ी पे 3 टाइम रह सकती हो ये मुझे पता है.
हाँ सी मैं किसी भी चीज़ और मैं एक्सपेरिमेंट कर सकती हूँ और समटाइम्स तो आई फील बैड फॉर हिम बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ही इज़ टू सोफिस्टिकेटेड एंड आई एम तो लाइक ऐसे कुछ भी तो या मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो
You will have to elaborate.
you know
See, I understand what you're talking about sophistication because sometimes his taste.
No, I think sophisticated is wrong word. ऐसा कि he is less experimental when it comes to these kind of stuff, things जो कि मैं करती हूँ और ऐसे like कुछ भी as in
You're talking about food?
no of course not food
इसीलिए,
पे
हाँ,
तो you
एक-
take all the points
So एक example तो बता. It is drizzling.
see
Yeah.
Is it? Interesting.
There's no clouds though. Anyway.
Yeah.
Maybe it's just some birds alive.
no it's just मैं सॉरी डिफरेंसेस की अगर बात हम कर रहे थे तो मैं वो या एक और आई थिंक
मतलब I'm more conscious. ऐसे बोल रहे हो?
समटाइम्स
Yeah. No, I am most definitely more conscious than
Absolutely.
conscious as far as the regular things go. Just in public. Right. That's what you mean.
yeah
Yeah, which is interesting that usually women are the ones who are more conscious about their surroundings and things that happen around them.
yeah
But like I find
Is it?
a
I don't think it's a
similarity.
Oh, of course it is.
man-woman thing.
It definitely is. She's right.
What are you all talking about?
See, it's like
For
there are
example-
jokes also कि if a man has to go out, he doesn't bother about anything कि क्या है क्या नहीं है, and especially I think with actors. Please tell me if I'm wrong, but yeah, it is there. लड़कियाँ कैसे कैसे लग रहे हैं, क्या पहना है, ऐसे बाहर जाएंगी नहीं, that doesn't look good. ये वो that I'm saying.
Oh, and that's not what I was talking about though. So you think
See, for
I'm,
example, when we were
I'm
in
physically conscious? ऐसे बोल रहे हो? I meant like अगर तुम ऐसे if you like shout or something तुम conscious हो जाते हो.
yeah, that also.
मेरा
That's-
example ऐसा था. For example, I'm out with my friends and I do certain goofy things even at this age. I saw a line of taxis, 2 lines of taxis, and I just spread my arms and I ran between them.
I don't do that.
Okay, so
Just
like,
short of doing something.
but you do something. You do. I'm sure you do certain things. Hello, you sit on a window of a car and sing
Oh
while
my
I'm
god,
driving.
please let me narrate a little story. This was
And what is the story? Well, watch that in our next part. Of course, this conversation continues with Surbhi and Varun. We're happy to bring you a full, long-winded interview with them. So stay tuned to Forum 32 and don't forget to subscribe to us. Here's the link coming up.